lazy girl era is all about shifting your mindset, building momentum, and creating systems that make productivity feel natural rather than overwhelming. Here's how to gently but effectively get back on track. Romanticize discipline, not just rest. Instead of seeing routines as boring, view them as self-care. Make productivity aesthetic. Use a cute planner, light a candle while working, or play lo-fi beats. Get clear on your why. Write down what you truly want and why. For example, I want to be more active because I love feeling strong and energized. Set fun goals rewards. Make progress exciting. Treat yourself for hitting small milestones. Break tasks into mini challenges. For example, let's clean for one song's length. Make productivity feel pretty. Use a vintage-inspired planner or a digital planner with a soft, minimalist aesthetic. Keep a clean and cozy workspace. Fairy lights, a scented candle, and fresh stationery. Turn routines into rituals. Work out but dreamy. Pilates in a matching set, stretching in the sun, or dance workouts in soft lighting. Track your progress aesthetically. Make a vision board. Pinterest, a scrapbook, or a Polaroid wall. Stay motivated with soft inspiration. Read books that make you feel like the main character, the Paris Library and the Secret Lives of Introverts. Romanticize evenings for a soft reset. Wind down with candlelit journaling, herbal tea, or slow stretches. Dress the part. Even if you're at home, put on a flowy dress, a cozy knit, or a sleek loungewear set that makes you feel put together. Golden hour walks. Get outside in soft sunlight for dreamy, effortless movement. Write to your future self a journal entry, an unsent letter, or affirmations in beautiful handwriting. Aesthetic tip. Turn your phone on silent 1 hour before bed and live in the moment. Read, stretch, or meditate instead. Do one romantic thing daily, wear perfume for yourself, arrange flowers, sip tea slowly. Move with grace, stretch in the mornings, dance while cooking, glide through your space. Capture beautiful moments. Soft golden hour selfies, coffee cups, or handwritten notes. Read in a cozy nook, soft blankets, fairy lights, and an old book. Be the main character. Imagine your life as a movie. What does the main character do in the morning? What habits does she have? Make your life a Pinterest board. Visualize the aesthetic version of your routine and start living it. Final thought. Stepping out of your lazy girl era doesn't mean forcing productivity. It means making life feel beautiful, intentional, and inspiring.
This is